Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Commercials here with another wig review. So today, before we get into the details of the unit, we always talk about the lippy. Today I'm wearing a MAC lipstick, a good old MAC. It is not collab this time. So I'm wearing a MAC lipstick and this is in the color Icon and it is a frosted bronze type color. So you've got like this nude frosty color, very beautiful. And now into the details of this unit. Thank you so much to WOWIGS for sending me this beautiful wig. I really appreciate it. This is their 20-inch straight headband wig. It is a human hair unit in the color Burgundy. Very beautiful color. When it comes to wig colors, burgundies, reds, right up there. Those are my favorite colors when it comes to wigs. I review all different colors. So anyone who's new here, I review all different colors of wigs on this channel, from pink to green to yellow to orange to gray. But this hair color, burgundies and reds, are my favorite when it comes to wig colors and natural hair colors too. This is burgundy. So I've reviewed a few wigs in the burgundy red family, and this is a true burgundy color. This is very beautiful. The density is 180%. This is what the wig looks like. This is the left side. This is the right side. This is the back. And for reference, I'm 5'2.5". And if you've been following me for a while, you finished that sentence. Yes, the half counts. This hair is very soft. I'm not experiencing any tangling and I'm not experiencing any shedding. This hair, like this color, look at this, get a load of this color, is beautiful. Really, really love this color. I'm not sure of how much the wig retails for, but I will put the details in the description box below. In terms of the cap size is comfortable, so I would say that this wig is big head friendly. So I'm going to try on the headbands. So here's how it looks with this headband. Very pretty. Okay, see, so you can see the headband here when I put it to back, and when I put it forward, you can see the headband there as well. So what you can do is fold the back of this headband. That makes it thinner. And then when you pull up a thinner headband, it completely covers the black. See, so the black headband is completely covered and you don't see it here anymore. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a bit of restyling. So that is the review for today. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell. That way, anytime I upload a new video, you will get the notification. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. Whenever the notifications don't work here, I will always let you guys know on Instagram that I have uploaded a video. So make sure you head over there. And sometimes I will post pictures when I restyle the wigs or do different things with the wigs. So definitely head on over there so that you can see some stuff that you won't see here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Wig dance, wig dance, wig dance, wig dance.